Hi folks, thanks for joining in. I'm really excited to announce the launch of our Android UI Kits version 5. These updated UI kits follow a simple philosophy. They look great right out of the box and allow you to spend minimal time in UI adjustments. Just select the components you need, apply some quick styling, and you're ready to go live. The kit comes fully equipped with all the components you need to deliver a world-class in-app chat experience. Let's explore them one by one. So let's start off with the conversation screen. So the conversation screen displays your recent chats, including both one-on-one and group chat, and users can also delete conversations if they like. Selecting a user or a group opens up the actual conversation or the messages screen. Let's break the screen down. So first you have the message composer at the bottom. Here users can share photos, attach files, create real-time polls, or collaborate on documents and whiteboards. They can also send voice notes and even emojis and stickers. And you can also use our built-in AI features to respond to messages or summarize conversations automatically. Users can also react to messages as well as translate them if they're in a different language. And they can also start a thread where you can have an inline conversation similar to Slack. Additionally, there's also an info screen, both for users and for groups. And in groups, options vary depending on user privileges. We also support mentions in both one-on-one and group chat. And clicking on a mention name will lead you directly to the one-on-one chat. Our call screen, this is perfect for dating apps, for workplace tools, or any other platform that requires call functionality. This screen shows all outgoing and incoming calls. And then we have our users list and groups list. The user list and group list can both be customized with filters where you can display a subset of users. They're all online users, users with particular tags, and similarly, you could do that for groups as well. You can also give the ability to your users to create their own groups. There you have it. These are all the major screens that are available right out of the box, and you can easily customize them by switching features on and off or by overriding entire views. I can't wait to see how you integrate CometChat's newest UI kit in your apps and websites. So let's get started. Thank you.